Hi, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, I'm going to show you another method of making potentially thousands of dollars for simple, easy work. We only share legit money-making websites with you on this channel. We make sure to investigate and test all of the websites we share with you so you don't get scammed. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our daily uploads. I want you to head over to squadhelp.com. SquadHelp is the world's #1 naming website. They have the largest naming community, and their approach to company naming services allow you to receive an unmatched breadth of business name ideas. And that's where you come in. You are going to be coming up with the names. There is so much money to be made here, so don't skip any of this video so you can see exactly what's on offer here. They have over 25,000 customers, and you can help some of them with your creative ideas. Click on Naming Contests at the top of the page. I'm going to show you some real results from users on this website in a moment, but let's take a look at how this all works. Companies pay SquadHelp and you to come up with creative names for their businesses and websites. You get paid if your name wins the competition. You can enter as many as you like. They update the page daily, so there are always opportunities available. Let's scroll down and click on one of the contests. You can see here that this one is a logo design contest. You can design simple logos and you can win over $200. We can click on another one that says Name for a Tech Startup. You have to review and accept the NDA. You can see the winning name will win $200. That's right, just for coming up with a business name. You can use another website to help you think of ideas, such as businessnamegenerator.com. You won't win every contest, obviously, but if you apply to as many of these as you can, I have no doubt that you can make consistent income. Let's have a look at other users' recent earnings. You can see each of these people are making hundreds of dollars for winning the contests. And if we click on this profile, we can see that this user has already won 3 competitions and over $1,000. Some users are making thousands of dollars monthly by doing these contests. And it takes no time at all. Just sign up and you're ready to start applying. You can just sit watching television whilst coming up with business names. How simple! Make sure you subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss any updates teaching you how to make money online. Until next time, aim high.